My brothers and sisters, my fellow South Sudanese, today I stand before you with a message that comes from the heart, a message about peace, about unity, and about the future of South Sudan. South Sudan is our home. It is the land of the Nile, the land of cattle, the land of our ancestors, but more than that, it is the land of hope. A land that we fought for, a land that was watered with blood of our martyr. But today, I ask a simple question. What will bring Nuer and Dinka together? Let us first look back before independence, before we had our own flag, before we became the youngest nation in the world. Who were we? We were brothers and sisters under oppression. When the first Sudanese civil war broke out in 1955, Dinka, Nuer, Shuluk, Bari, Azande, Murle, all of us suffered together. We were treated as second-class citizens in our own land. We were denied school, denied road, denied development. During the second Sudanese civil war from 1983 to 2005, it was the Nuer and the Dinka and others who formed the backbone of the liberation struggle. We worked side by side in the SPLA. We died side by side in the bush. We were bombed together by the antelope. We buried our children together. The Dinka lost countless sons of daughters. The Nuer lost countless sons of daughters. The Equatorial did. Many tribes sacrificed heavily. The mothers of both Nuer and Dinka wept together for their fallen children. This story should remind us that the Nuer and the Dinka are not enemies by nature. They are comrades in struggles, born by the same pain, the same blood, the same dream. But sadly, after independence in 2011, after raising our beautiful flag, after the world celebrated with us, something went wrong. And instead of uniting as one people, we turned against each other. And instead of fighting poverty, we began fighting ourselves. And instead of building a school, hospital, and road, we built churches and mass graves. The Nuer and Dinka conflict has taken so many lives. Children who should be in school are in displacement camp. Women who should be farming are now widow. Elders who should be advising the youth are now silent because their voices are ignored. And let us be honest, this fighting has brought nothing good, no victory, no development, no progress, only destruction, hatred, and tears. Why unity is necessary? My brothers and sisters, let us ask, why must Nuer and Dinka stop fighting? Because together we are the majority. The Nuer and the Dinka are the two largest ethnic groups in South Sudan. Without the unity, there will never be peace. If these two tribes are divided, the whole country suffers. Because development cannot come through division, you know that, right? Road cannot be built in war. A school cannot be built in displacement. Investors cannot come when there is tribal conflict. Independence was not for one tribe. Let us never forget. South Sudan independence was won by the blood of all the 64 tribes, from the Taposa to the Bari, from the Ashuli to the Maban, from the Murle to the Kakwa. It was not the victory of Dinka alone. It was not the victory of Nuer alone. It was the victory of all. Because our children deserve better, do we want our children to inherit war, displacement, and tribal hatred? Or do we want them to inherit peace, education, and opportunity? Let us remember 2011, when the flag of South Sudan was raised in Juba. People danced in Malakal, Bor, Bentiu, Wau, Turid, and Yambu. Nobody asked which tribe was celebrating. Nobody said this independence belonged to Dinka or Nuer. This independence belonged to everybody. No, that independence belonged to all South Sudanese. We must return to that spirit. We must remember the tear of Dr. John Garang, who spoke of a new Sudan. We must remember the sacrifice of commanders, soldiers, and civilians who died so that we could live in freedom. If we betray their memory by killing each other, then we are insulting their sacrifices. So what is the way forward? So what will bring Nuer and Dinka together? Number one, truth and forgiveness. Both sides must admit the wrong done. Both sides must recognize the pain of others. And both sides must forgive, not because it is easy, but because it is necessary. Number two, dialogue and reconciliation. Our chief, our elders, our church leaders, our youth, our women, they must sit together around the fire, under the tree, in the church, in the conference hall, anywhere. But they must talk. Nuer and Dinka should work together to build a school, to dig borehole, to construct a road. When you work with someone, you stop seeing them as an enemy and start seeing them as a partner. We must choose leaders not because of their tribe, but because of their vision, their integrity, and their love for people. The young people, the future of South Sudan, must say no to being used by politicians to fight meaningless war. We must say yes to education, yes to agriculture, yes to innovation, yes to peace. So listen carefully. I want you to imagine a different South Sudan. A South Sudan where the Nuer boy and Nuer Dinka boy go to school together, where their mothers sell in the same market without fear, where their father farm the land side by side. A South Sudan where cattle camp are not place of war, but place of music and dance, where our songs are not about revenge, but about peace and pride. That South Sudan is possible, but only if we remember we are stronger together. The Nuer cannot defeat the Dinka cannot defeat the Nuer, but together, the Nuer and the Dinka can defeat poverty, ignorance, and underdevelopment. Let us not betray the 64 tribes who fought for independence. Let us not betray our martyr. Let us not betray our children. Let us unite. Let us reconcile. Let us build. Because only in unity will South Sudan rise. I leave you with this. The future of South Sudan is not in the hand of America, not in the hand of Europe, not in the hand of Uganda or Kenya or Ethiopia. It is in the hand of the Nuer and the Dinka, and in the hand of all South Sudanese people. If we choose unity, our nation will prosper. You know it, right? If we choose division, our nation will collapse. The choice is ours. May God bless the Nuer. May God bless the Dinka. May God bless all the 64 tribes of South Sudan. May God bless South Sudan. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye.